Every strand of instant noodles begins here, lines, in vast wheat fields harvested at industrial scale. High-capacity harvesters gather thousands of tons of wheat each day.
The raw wheat is transported instantly to collection hubs for initial sorting. Industrial sorting removes stones, dust, and unwanted debris with precision.
Huge silos store thousands of tons of clean wheat, ready for milling.
From the silos, loaded trucks carry the wheat to the milling factory.
Instant noodles require ultra-fine flour, produced in facilities like this.
The wheat is unloaded into intake hoppers, feeding powerful milling systems.
Enclosed conveyors move the wheat through a fully automated cleaning line. With impurities removed, the wheat is ready for fine grinding.
High-pressure air jets remove the numerous traces of pest, remove the last traces of husk, dust, and dust.
Strong industrial magnets eliminate even microscopic metal fragments.
Moisture conditioning softens the wheat kernels for perfect milling. Precision steel rollers break the wheat layer by layer. Vibrating sifters separate bran, fiber, and ultra-fine flour.
Pneumatic pipelines move the flour rapidly across the factory. Every batch undergoes strict lab tests for gluten, strength, and consistency.
The refined flour is blended inside giant silos for perfect uniformity. With the flour perfected, the noodle mixing stage begins next. Precisely measured flour enters the dough mixer to begin noodle formation. Purified water is atomized into the mixer to hydrate the flour evenly.
Salt and kansui solution give instant noodles their strength and signature bite.
Powerful twin-blade kneaders transform the mixture into smooth, firm dough. The dough rests in a controlled chamber to strengthen its gluten network. After resting, the dough becomes elastic and ready for sheet formation.
Primary rollers flatten the dough into a thick, uniform sheet.
Secondary rollers reduce the sheet to exact thickness, monitored by lasers.
Cross-rolling aligns the dough fibers, giving noodles their final texture. The finished dough sheet moves toward the noodle cutting section.
Rotating blades cut the dough into uniform noodle strands with millimeter precision.
Mechanical fingers lift each strand, creating the signature wave shape.
Shaped noodle layers are aligned into block frames for consistent form. A controlled press compacts the noodles, forming the classic block structure.
Each compact block is placed onto steam trays for cooking.
The blocks travel into a steam tunnel where the noodles will be fully cooked. Pressurized steam cooks and stabilizes each noodle block evenly.
Temperature and humidity are controlled precisely for perfect cooking.
After steaming, the noodles exit fully cooked and ready for cooling. Powerful air jets cool the noodles rapidly to prepare for frying.
The cooled noodle blocks approach the flash frying section for rapid dehydration.
A steel cage lowers each block into hot oil, beginning the instant flash fry.
High heat evaporates moisture instantly, giving noodles their crisp texture.
Once fried, each block is lifted out to drain off the excess oil. Air knives blast away remaining oil and begin rapid cooling. The noodles enter a chilled tunnel to stabilize their structure.
Powerful cross-flow fans lock in the crispy texture by cooling every side.
Automated metal detectors ensure the noodles meet strict safety standards.
With frying complete, the noodles advance toward the seasoning and packaging line.
A ribbon blender combines salt, broth powder, and spices into a uniform seasoning blend.
Automated fillers dispense exact portions of seasoning into heat-sealed packets.
Robotic sorters group every seasoning packet set for each noodle serving.
The cooled noodle blocks arrive at the primary packaging station.
A vertical wrapper folds and seals film around every noodle portion.
Heated jaws compress and seal the ends to create airtight pillow packs. Laser coders print batch numbers and dates for tracking and safety.
Sensors align individual noodle packets into precise groups for bundling.
A shrink-wrap sleeve forms around each group, creating a stable multi-pack.
Robotic arms load each multi-pack into cartons for large-scale distribution.
Every carton is weighed to confirm it contains the correct number of packs. Vision systems inspect each carton for seal strength and readable barcodes.
Automated glue sealers close and secure the cartons for shipment. The packaged cartons now move toward the palletizing section. A robotic palletizer begins stacking cartons onto heavy-duty shipping pallets. Each layer is arranged in a staggered pattern for maximum transport stability.
Cardboard sheets separate pallet layers to prevent shifting during shipping.
A rotating wrapper secures the pallet with industrial-strength stretch film.
A forklift operator transports the wrapped pallet toward storage racks. Loading docks prepare outbound trailers for nationwide distribution.
Forklifts load the pallets into trailers, ready for long-distance shipment.
Loaded trucks leave the factory, beginning nationwide distribution.
Convoys carry instant noodles across cities and regional hubs. At regional centers, pallets are unloaded for local redistribution.
Pallets are sorted automatically based on delivery routes. High-speed scanners verify the retail destination of every carton.
Local vans carry the products into city grocery stores. The journey ends here, where customers choose their favorite instant noodles.
Delivery routes continue all day, keeping shelves fully supplied. As night falls, the factory keeps running, producing batch after batch. Engineers supervise every step to maintain safety and consistency. Flash frying gives noodles their iconic texture and long shelf life. From flour to dough, each stage shapes the quality of the final product. Pressurized steam cooks the noodles uniformly, locking in their structure. Packaging lines run at high speed to meet massive global demand. Behind these walls, millions of noodles are made every single day. This is the full journey, from wheat fields to your bowl. Thanks for watching.